excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze.
What's going on, guys? We're back again finally. It's been a long time. Approximately 246 days since my last video. I'm just here today putting some Fox suspension in because my old suspension is pretty well cooked. It was time for an upgrade. I've been super busy. The reason I haven't made a video in a while is because I bought a gym earlier this year and I've been pretty much working there like every weekend and all my spare time spending all my money on that, so I haven't really had a chance to do many mods on the Lux. But I'm pretty well settled in now, so I'm going to start making videos more consistently, doing some more four-wheel driving and some more mods. So we'll get into it today with this one, but unfortunately I just realised I left my socket set at the gym, so I'm going to run back there now and grab them and I'll be back.
I get paid on rainy days, I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today, thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll, I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale, heard it's on the market for the...
Alrighty, so unfortunately we're going to have to lose the remote reservoirs, so we're not going to look as cool, but I think it should make up for it with the Fox sticker on the back of the tray.
On live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze. Photo. Please. No photos. No. G's. No. Please. No photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze. Photo. Please. No photos. No. G's. No. Please. No photos.
There's the old one compared to the new one. You can see how cooked this old one is because sitting there like that, it doesn't actually come back out where it's supposed to. So when I would go over a speed bump, the shock would pretty much do nothing and the spring would just bounce up and down for about 5 minutes. We're all in. Front looking good. So it seems to be sitting pretty high in the front for some reason. Like they were already, the old ones were 2.5s apparently, and these ones are meant to be set at 2, but this is like at least a good inch higher in the front. We'll take it for a ride and see if it kind of settles in a bit, because I did just drop it straight down off the jacks. You might remember this boy from previous episodes. It's probably going to sit here for another 2 years until it gets regoed again, because it ran out of rego since he rolled it last Christmas. So it's the next day now. I just ran out of time last night, had to shoot off to work, but it's all done. They work great. I tested it out just on a speed bump down the road, so just to see the difference between the old and the new. With the old, you can really see after it bounces, it continues to bounce, and that's just because those shocks, as you saw before, completely collapsed. The new ones, it just bounces once and then those shocks just immediately soak up that impact and it just continues driving, which is really nice. If you'd like a spot on my sponsors panel, please get in touch. Congratulations if you made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. Make sure if you liked the video, definitely drop me a like. It really helps me get seen by more people, and consider subscribing if you're not already. I'm going to be making a heap more videos, especially over Christmas when I got some time off. But yeah, here's a little nighttime edit just to end the video off. We'll see you in the next one.